Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 rose on Tuesday, approaching its record high as the Federal Reserve's recent dovish shift on rates lifted stocks. The S&P 500 gained 0.59%. With Tuesday's gain, the broad market index is about 0.6% from surpassing its record close and 1% from equaling its intraday record, both set in January of 2022. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.68%. The Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.66%. It was the first time the tech-heavy index closed above the 15,000 level since January 2022. The Nasdaq 100 gained 0.49%, reaching a new all-time intraday and closing high. Walgreens Boots Alliance was the best performer in the Dow, with shares up by 4.2%. Meanwhile, solar stocks, Enphase Energy and First Solar were among the biggest S&P 500 advances, up by about 9% and 4% respectively. Energy stocks outperformed, with the S&P 500 sector up by 1.2% as oil prices rose. Occidental Petroleum shares gained 2.3%, while Halliburton and ExxonMobil shares were each higher by more than 1%. Consumer staples recorded the fewest gains. Equities have hit rally mode as of late, with last week's indication of 3 likely interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve in 2024 providing a catalyst for the market. Signs of cooling inflation and a pullback in Treasury yields have also helped risk assets during what's already a typically strong season for equities. Looking ahead to the Australian landscape now, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% gain. Thank you for listening.